Are you tired of constantly typing in your password in several sites like Google, Facebook, Instagram on your Xiaomi phone? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to add your passwords to Google Passwords Autofill on your Xiaomi device. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Method 1. Manually add a password. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and find Google, tap on Autofill, then press Password Manager. After that, tap plus icon called Add Password. Enter the website or app name, then input your username or email. After that, enter your password accurately. Add any additional details like notes if needed. Finally, press Save option in the top right corner. Method 2. Enable Google Passwords Autofill to save password automatically. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and press Google. Next, tap on Autofill. Now turn on Autofill with Google. Then press Password Manager. After that, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Now ensure Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. After doing so, whenever you log into a website or app, you'll be prompted to save your password. At that time, just tap Save to allow Google to store the password. Here you go! I hope you enjoyed this video and learned to add passwords manually or automatically to the Google account. If you have anything to know, write them in the comments below. Thanks for joining in. See you next time!